go to inventory.gnlifeit.com. In here you can see the home, the pricing, the blog, about us, contact us screens, so you are able to navigate the websites. You can go to the watch demo so that you're able to find your way around the software. Meanwhile, on the first time that you are using this, you need to sign up. So signing up, you need to enter your own personal information. Let's say this is 92 and your password is 12345667. Then proceed. Now in this place, you need to enter your business informations. Alright, let's enter this. Let's say this is GNLife33. Let's assume the business email is MajorShow91. The business address, business phone number, the industry where the business, for instance, agriculture, country, Nigeria. Now you need to enter the salesperson. You can have as many salespersons as you want, or at the initial stage when you are registering your organization or your business, you need to enter a salesperson, that is at least one person. If you don't have, you can just put your own information in this place. So I've entered my name in here and said the sales email is sales@gmail.com, and then the sales password 12345667. So if we go ahead, you need to read the terms and conditions and privacy policy, then agree that you have read it before submitting the form. Alright, so get an error that says you should use another password, and this is because the same password is being used for sales email. For sales is 12345667, and here where we have 12345667 as well. So we need to change this one to another thing so that we're able to proceed with the registration. Okay, registration completed, and you need to log in. So in logging in, we used MajorShow91@gmail.com, and this was MajorShow92@gmail.com, and our password was 128, not 129. And if we make an attempt to log in, so we have our dashboard. In the next video, I'm going to be explaining this dashboard, the inventory, your products, the groups, the sales, this out of stock. I'll explain the carts, the fulfillment, the customers, and your accounts, your subscriptions, your sales lists. This is a sales list that you entered when you onboarded the software.